Okay, good day everyone. So today I will show you how to solve a electrical circuit using the triangle formula. Actually, there are many formula that they're using in solving in Ohm's law, but the triangle formula is the most easiest way to solve if you want to measure a voltage, current, and resistance. So this is the triangle formula. So on top, letter V, side, letter R, and I, left side. So V stands for voltage, R stands for resistance, and I stands for current. So actually there are two types of a circuit in electricity. We have series circuit and parallel circuit. So first, the series circuit. Series circuit. So let's draw a series circuit first. So this is the ground where voltage came from. So for example, 12 volts, and the electrons or the current is 3 ampere. So this is a wire where electrons flow or the current flow, which is 3 ampere. So the ohms or the resistance is missing here in this circuit. So by using the triangle formula, you can measure it. All you need to do is, since the symbol or the letter R stands for resistance, all you need to do is to cover the letter R, and all you can see here is voltage over I, which means voltage divided by current. So R is equals to V over I, voltage and current. So the value of voltage is 12 volts and the value of current is 3 ampere. So you need to divide it. 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. And the symbol of the resistance is ohms, like this. So that is how you're going to do if you want to measure the resistance in a series circuit. Now let's proceed to the second type of circuit, which is the parallel circuit. Again, let's draw first a parallel circuit. Again, this is the ground for volts. For example, 10 volts. And this is the resistance or the resistor, no? Since tulo na sila kabuok, so ato silang butangan og R1, R2, and R3. So let's as if the value of these resistors for the R1 is the value is 5 ohms, and for the R2 the value is 2 ohms, and for the R3 the value is 6 ohms, and the current is missing. So Based in the triangle formula, since the current is missing, same as you do here in series circuit, you need to cover the letter I because stands for current. So cover the letter I, and all you can see here is V over R, and which means voltage divided by resistance. So I is equals to voltage divided by resistance equals, so but you cannot proceed in this formula yet because you need to get the resistance total first, since there are 3 resistor here in this circuit. So in order for you to get the resistance total, you need to use this formula. RT, or the resistance total, equals, since it has 3 resistor, so R1 plus R2 plus R3. Copy their value. R1 5 ohms plus R2 2 ohms plus R3 6 ohms, and just add these 3 resistance. 5 plus 2 plus 6 equals to pila man? 13. And the symbol of the resistance is ohms. So this is your resistance total. So now you can proceed in this formula. So the value of voltage is 10 volts divided by resistance. Ayaw naglingi dari sa tulo ka resistance, diretso na diri sa imong sa imong RT, or the resistance total, which is 13 ohms. And divide the voltage and the resistance total. 10 divided by 13 is equals to 0.8 ampere. 0.8 ampere. A, since the symbol of current is letter A, which stands for ampere. So ngayon ninyo siya pag solve, no? Again, in a series circuit, pwede na kamo direct, but in a parallel circuit, you need to get the resistance total first, since there are 3 resistor here in parallel circuit, no? And the parallel circuit is kanang medyo complicated lang siya nga circuit, no, but not that much complicated, no? Okay, so I hope you understand my demo on how to solve or how to use this triangle formula in Ohm's law. So thank you so much and have a good day ahead.